Hi there, I'm Camilo Escobar, Juritas founder, a law academy and artificial intelligence for lawyers and legal teams of lawyers. We teach them the legal foundations of artificial intelligence, of AI, that is, the foundations of law in relation to the particularities, consequences, facts, elements of AI, of artificial intelligence. And today I'm going to explain why it's not about the unlawful formalism or the unlawful anti-formalism informalism, the unlawful informalism, but about the law, about the legal must be, about the legal validity, about the legally diligent attitude, about the legal diligence, about properly the compliance with the law, and definitively about the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. And the reason why is because it's not about applying formalism, a formalism. It's not about applying formalisms that are against, that are opposite with respect to what is defined in the law, that are not harmonized with what is defined in the law, so properly that are not harmonized with the way of existence of the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties, that do not let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist. Because when there is an unlawful formalism, when there are unlawful formalisms, there are forms, for example, protocols or any other kind of formalism that is not according to the way to enjoy a right and consequently fulfill a duty. So it's something that is not going to permit the enjoyment of rights and correlatively the fulfillment of duties, because it's just a formalism, it's just an element that is against, that is the opposite to respect to what is defined in the law. So we cannot continue thinking that any formalism is something that is included in the legal must be. It's something that has binding effects. That is something that implies a duty to accomplish with its indication, because it's not about that. It's about applying the law, applying to what is defined in the law to the extent of the facts of each legal relationship, that is, to the extent of the facts of each environment in which there must exist the enjoyment of rights and correspondingly the fulfillment of duties, because it's an environment that is related to what is defined in the law. So, for example, for instance, regarding AI, it's about making sure that there is enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties in relation to the respective facts of the respective legal relationship that involves an AI product, an AI object, an artificial intelligence product. So it's about attending, of course, the lawful formalism, the lawful forms, the lawful formalisms, and in general, all the elements that are part of the way to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist, but not about any unlawful indication, any unlawful thing that tries to be a legal must be, because it's not part of the legal must be. It's not a legal must be. It's not part of the legal must be as a whole. It's not part of the law understood as a whole, created by the result of the union of all the elements that indicate the way to comply with the law, the way to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist. Thanks so much for your attention, and I invite you to www.jurita.co to know what we do. Bye-bye. Take care.